All right, let's take a look at what's inside this no spill coolant funnel. So I got this to do a flush job on my van, and it comes in, looks like it comes in a kit. You got like a silicone lid on board or on top. Oh, some directions, which I would imagine would tell you what fittings to use for different vehicles. You have a screw top here, and then it looks like, yeah, a little ball valve for open and close. So that is open. That's going to be closed, and then it looks like you have all your various attachments that you would need depending on the vehicle that you are using. And oh, okay, here we go. So if your fill is in an awkward spot, you can connect these together. So let's say that you got to get real deep in there. You can connect these together and kind of, you know, you see what's going on there. One of those, and then one of those into the spill. So a lot of options here, which is pretty nice. And then you have your caps for your various radiator tops. So it looks like a nice complete kit. Let's give it a try. All right, I want to show you how to put this on. This is a GM, and the adapter I'm using is the A adapter, and then this piece is also the A adapter. They're labeled. And so the way this works is you have your piece here, and you put it up through just like that, right? And then you thread on the cup just like there. You go around, get it nice and snug, and then that's captive. So then when you place it on your radiator cap, this is an A cap, there we go, right? Nice and solid. It's not going to move or wiggle on you. Of course, you have your ball valve here, so as you add your refrigerant, or as you add your coolant, it'll open and close as necessary. So that's the solid way to do it right there. And then you can rotate this if you want to, so you can see how much you've got going in and out. So that's a good use for that, and feels nice and solid. So there we go. And then you can see the bubbles coming up. So definitely displacing the air. And I have the valve kind of slow because I want to get those bubbles out. I don't know if that does anything, but it makes me feel better about how I'm doing it. But I definitely feel better loading it up with this spill filler than I do with a regular funnel.